So factor pairs are, if you have a number like 30, you're going to find out what divides into it. So always 1 and 30, and then we need to find out all these other numbers. So we go to the halfway point, which is 15. Half of 30 is 15. And we see, does 2 go into it? Yes, because 2 and 15 equal 30. Does 3 go into it? Yes, because it's 3 and 10. Does 4 go into it? No. Does 5 go into it? Yes. Does 6 go into it? Yes. Does 7? No. Does 8? No. Does 9? We already have 10. 11? No. 12, 13, 14, and then 15. We just check to make sure that we have a rainbow so that we have all of our factor pairs. And if we do not have a match, then we're missing something. So that is how you find factor pairs. A prime number only has 2 factor pairs, like 1 and 5, 1 and 3, 1 and 7. And then composite numbers have more than 2. So the number 4 has 1, 2, and 4. The number 6 has 1, 2, 3, and 6, and so on. Multiplying fractions, we'll review that quickly. 1/4 times 3/5, we multiply across. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 5 is 20. And for perimeter of any shape, doesn't matter what the shape is, we just add the sides together. So if this is 5, 5, and 2, this is 2. We would do 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2. And if this was 3, 3, and 3, we would do 3 plus 3 plus 3. And then a square is 4, 4, and 4. We would add 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is how you do perimeter. We always start every sentence indented at the first paragraph. So instead of starting here, we start it here. We start with a capital, another camp, blah, blah, blah. We finish our sentence. I really like my camp, and it could be a simple sentence. I am fine with that. We add a period or a question mark. I am doing, I'm just going to make this up, mountain camp. Since it's the specific name of a specific camp, it's called mountain camp in this. I don't know if it's really what it's called, but in my paragraph, that's what the camp is called. We capitalize M and C, and then we continue writing. I really like my camp, period. I am doing mountain camp. I am there from, and I'm just making this up, 9 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Monday through Thursday. Period. Monday is capitalized, Thursday is capitalized. Then you're going to give some details about your camp if we were just doing a paragraph. My friends John, Jacob, and Steve are in camp with me. Period. Then we write our next sentence. This camp is fun because we play sports and do activities. Period. Then we're going to end the paragraph. This is a short paragraph, but that's okay. We're going to end it with a concluding sentence that's like a wrap up. I am so excited. I had this camp again this summer. Period. So that is how we're going to work on writing. One idea, period, one punctuation, one capital. We capitalize anything that needs to be capitalized other than the first word. We start with a introductory sentence. It could be simple. We give some details of what we think the reader needs to know, and then we end with a final concluding sentence that is our wrap-up. Did you practice your spelling words this week or no, honey?
Yeah.
Okay.
I did the whole thing.
Okay, perfect. Here were some other spelling words from. Oh, I'll just send those to Mom separately.